Listmonk, Mautic. If you are looking for email software, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to put them head to head. We're going to figure out which one you should be using. So let's dive in. Okay, we're looking at Listmonk now. So it does offer an open source newsletter and mailing list manager, which you can control completely on your own servers. You can create custom segments and edit subscribers in bulk with intuitive tools. You can design beautiful emails with flexible templates and automated campaign scheduling. Also, it has a multi-threaded bulk email sending. You can rate limiting controls, and you have a sliding window delivery. It's efficiently handling organizations sending literally millions of emails, and it higher sending capacity than most typical email solutions. You can also see over here that it does have API support, so you can send transactional emails like welcome messages and password resets as well. You can also manage, export, and completely erase your own data. And it is built with a modern data protection standard in mind, so it is really compliance ready. Let's have a look at Mautic now. So Mautic is an open source platform. It's complete marketing automation with no licensing fees. This is a great opportunity to test the waters and see if this is the tool for you, and you can do this at no cost. It's got a fantastic drag and drop interface for creating complex marketing flows. And you can reach customers via email as well as SMS. Yes, SMS is not dead. You can also use a social media as well, which is all done from one platform. It also gives you personalized sequences. So you can actually create drip campaigns with dynamic content that adapts to each recipient. It automatically ranks prospect based on engagement as well as defined behaviors, and you can launch actions when users visit pages or they open emails or they submit forms. So it's got behavior triggers. The last thing over here is their analytics and their overall ecosystem. So it's got built-in reporting tools. You can see your email performance metrics. It's got A/B testing results, conversion tracking. It also has self-hosted or cloud options, which are available depending on your likes. It also has a very large global user base and active development. So it is constantly on the move. And it works for small businesses to enterprise teams. So you will be able to scale with your business. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, two of the top dogs in this industry. Now, if this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like to show your support. And always remember, go and use the software, put it in a practical scenario and see if it really works for you.